Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to install one of the best build out there. This build is way better than Diggz Xenon and any other build out there at the moment. I have used it and I will have to, and this build is the best. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The first thing to do is to click on the settings icon on your screen, on your device screen. Once you get here, click on systems. Now scroll down and click on add-ons. Once you get here, this is very important. At this point, make sure you click on unknown sources, as this will help you to enable the unknown sources, because enabling the unknown sources allows you to install third-party builds. Okay, click on unknown sources, click yes, and then once you must have done that, click on the back button. Then once you get here, click on file manager, click on add source. Then make sure you enter this URL exactly the way it is. HTTPS, then Doomsday team .github.io/doomsday. Then once you must have finished it, double check the URL, triple check it, and then click OK. At this point, you can choose to change this name or you leave it like that, but in this case, I'm going to leave it like this. So click OK, click OK. Now click on the back button on your remote. Now click on add-ons. So once you get here, scroll down and click on install from zip file. And then once you get here, you will see the name you must have saved the media file with. So click on Doomsday. Click on the repository.doomsday/-1.2.2.zip. And then wait for the repository URL to install. As you can see from the screen, it's already installed. At this point, click on install from repository. And then click on Doomsday repository repo. Once you click on it, you wait. Then once you get to this point, click on. So at this point, you have two options. You can check out the add-ons within this build, within this wizard, which is this. These are the add-ons you will find here. Or you can just go back and then click. So continue with the installation process, because I just show you how to get the add-ons within this build, within this wizard. But continuing, click on program add-ons. So once you get here, this is very critical. You will see the Doomsday simple wizard. You also see the Doomsday GUI wizard. You also see the Hermit's wizard. So all these are wizards within this particular URL repository. So you can choose any, you can check out any of them. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna use the Doomsday GUI wizard. Okay, click on it, and then click on install. So you have to wait for it to finish the installation, right? So once it must have been finished installed, okay, you proceed to the next level. So it's already installed. So you can click on the remind me later or dismiss. It depends on you. If you want to continue ASAP, you can click on remind me dismiss. If you want to do it later, you can click on remind me later. So click on dismiss, and then you see this. Click on continue, and then click on. Then once this come out, click on build menu. And then it will take you to the build menu. Okay, so this is where you find all the builds within this particular wizard. Okay, so these are the builds. These are the builds you're gonna find here. This is the builds, a lot of them. Check it out. Tons of builds here, right? So the choice is what yours on the one to do what to check. Okay, you can check any of these builds out, and then let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So this is the Doomsday. Let's check it, the Aspire build. Click on it. So click on fresh install. And then click yes. So you have to wait for it to finish the installation. Okay. So once the installation is done, it will force close, and then we move to the next level. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, enable notification. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. and then share this video with your friends that are using Kodi. Yeah, and then if you have any questions, concerns regarding this video, please drop it on the comment section. I'll be willing to attend to you and answer all your questions. So don't forget to use a VPN. Don't forget to use a VPN. So this is how to have this build on your device. This build is better than Diggz Xenon. I have used it. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Comment whatever you want to say about this video. Share it with your friends. And then see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching.